Hey, so if your stereo mix is not working in Audacity, yeah, like you can't record system audio or it doesn't show up at all, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, right-click the sound icon and open sound settings. Then go to Recording Devices and enable stereo mix if it's disabled. Next, yeah, if you don't see stereo mix, right-click and enable Show Disabled Devices. It might be hidden. Now, set stereo mix as the default recording device. Audacity needs it as the input source. Yeah, open Audacity and choose stereo mix from the input device dropdown. Now, try switching the audio host to MME or Windows WASAPI. This can fix detection issues. Yeah. Missing or outdated drivers can hide stereo mix completely. Updating drivers often brings it back. Now, sometimes sound enhancements or driver settings block stereo mix. Try enabling or resetting audio settings. Yeah, restart both Audacity and your PC. Changes won't apply until everything reloads. If it still doesn't work, use Windows WASAPI loopback instead of stereo mix. It does the same job for recording system audio. So yeah, that's how you fix stereo mix not working in Audacity. Most of the time, it's disabled settings, hidden devices, or driver issues. Try these steps and you'll be able to record system audio again. Thanks for watching. Hey, so if